Welcome to all my dear students. Myself Dr.J.K.Sali. Today we are going to the office management. So let's start. Chapter 2, Office Organization and Management. A new topic, Office Management. Introduction of Office Management. Management is a fascinating discipline. It is what makes an organization tick. Without effective management, the activities in an organization would be left to chance. The management functions in any organizations included determination of the immediate as well as long-term result, planning how this result are to be completed, building the organization to secure these goals, and directing the organization to secure these goals. Management is universal. It is necessary in every organization, in every enterprises, in government, school, family, or a business firm. Management is considered a means to end and not end. Management takes the various body of humans and the financial and material resources and them into they achieve the goals and the organization. Meaning of office management. Management is a skill is dealing with organizational problem. This skill is acquired and enriched through the experience and the study of literature. The field of management is changing day by day. The philosophy of life to a bundle of techniques and certain cookbooks formulate. It coordinates men, machines, materials, method, and money in orders to produce the required goods and services. Management is not a one-shot deal. It is an ongoing process. It is a series of activities and action directed towards the most effective use of available resources and to produce the maximum output. Definition of office management. Office management can be defined as a task of planning, coordinating, motivating the efforts of others towards the specific objectives in the office. The elements of office management. It is difficult to draw the line of demarcation between the office management and administrative management or general management. For those who direct the functioning of the office are also involved in the overall management of the organization. The principles and techniques that all successful management and also applied to office management. Therefore, they said that the principle and techniques of management the same and apply to the performance of any kind of work and given a name of production management. The first elements of office management: purpose. Without an awareness of the true purpose, office manager cannot make a correct decision or ensure the effectiveness of work done. Determination of the purpose of the office provides direction and guidelines to office activities. Thereafter, next point is environment. Office environment does not refer only to the physical environment within the office. It is also refers to external factors, the business with the office services, the industry or other activity within the businesses. These environmental factors are always changing and the office must react to change with them. The office manager have a knowledge of these environmental factors and they should be able his personal means to this environment. Next point is means. Means are the tools with the help of office activities are performed. The premises, machines, equipment, various forms, various stationery, furnitures, as well as the methods of techniques and performing the office activities. Office manager must make the best use of the means. The new means are always developed and applied. They are likely to result efficiency and effectiveness. The last element of office management is personal. The means to use are the most important of the four elements. They are also often the most difficult to understand. Who make the management and art as well as science. What machines are employed management is basically leadership of people. The office manager recruit the suitable personnel and place them in the suitable job in the office. The proper training and development of personnel helps to increase their efficiency. So these were the various elements of office management. Thank you.